What's up, everybody? I'm going to show you how to edit features and add a vertex or a point at an inferred location of the intersection of two lines. What I mean by that, you got one line here and one line here, and that's where they stop, but you want a point right there where they intersect. The tool to use to do that is in the construction toolbar. It's called the intersection tool, and here's how you use it. So here I have this subdivision. Let's say I want to create a polygon that fills in this hole here in this square. So I'm going to begin the construction by using the trace tool and tracing the stuff that's already there. Click at the beginning and then trace it and click at the end. Then I'm going to come to this tool on the construction toolbar, hit that drop down, and then pick the intersection tool. And then how it works is you hover over a line and click it, and that locks it in. And then you click the other line. It shows you the inferred point. And then when you click the other line, it draws the point as part of your sketch. Then you switch to whatever other tool you want to use to continue your construction. And I can just double click there at the end to finish it off. So there's another tool in the construction toolbar to help you be more efficient in your editing. I hope that demonstration helped you out. If it did, go down and give that like button a quick chop for me. Subscribe to the channel and tell your friends and colleagues all about GIS chops, where you're getting your chops from. If you thought this tool was helpful, I've got other videos that show these tools in the construction toolbar, so go watch that video right there. And we'll see you next time.